10 English towns that look perfect until you live there. It's easy to fall in love with a beautiful English town. Cobblestone streets, cosy pubs, historic buildings, and rolling countryside can make it feel like stepping into a storybook. But living somewhere full-time is very different from visiting for a weekend. Behind the postcard views, some towns face rising housing costs, tourist crowds, limited jobs, and quiet off-seasons that outsiders rarely see. Today, we're counting down 10 English towns that look perfect until you live there, ranked from 10 to 1, with the most striking example waiting at the end. 10. Whitby. Whitby looks like the kind of coastal town people dream about. Colourful houses climb the cliffs above the harbour. Fishing boats glide past the pier, and the ruins of Whitby Abbey watch over everything from high above the sea. On a sunny day, it feels magical. But daily life here can be more complicated than visitors expect. Whitby is one of the most popular seaside towns in North Yorkshire, which means summer weekends bring heavy tourism. The narrow streets around the harbour can become packed, and parking often turns into a challenge. Job opportunities are also somewhat limited. Much of the local economy revolves around tourism, hospitality, and small businesses, which can make year-round employment less stable than in larger towns. Winters along the North Sea can also be long and windy, giving the town a very different atmosphere once the tourist season ends. Whitby remains beautiful, but living there full-time is a different experience from visiting. 9. Lyme Regis. Lyme Regis sits along the Jurassic coast in Dorset, and it's one of the most scenic towns in southern England. The curved harbour wall, known as the Cobb, pastel seaside houses, and fossil-filled beaches attract visitors from across the country. But that popularity has had consequences. Housing prices have climbed steadily as second-home buyers and retirees move to the area. For many people working locally in shops, cafes, and tourism businesses, buying property in the town has become increasingly difficult. The steep hills and narrow streets can also make daily life less convenient than the postcard images suggest. Parking is limited, and many residents rely on small, winding roads built centuries ago. During winter, the town becomes far quieter. Many seasonal businesses reduce hours or close until spring, leaving a much slower pace of life. The scenery stays stunning, but the everyday realities of living here can surprise newcomers. 8. Whitstable. Whitstable has become one of the trendiest seaside towns in Kent. Known for its oyster industry, colourful beach huts, and relaxed coastal atmosphere, it has grown into a popular destination for weekend visitors from London. The town looks effortlessly charming, but its popularity has pushed property prices upward over the past decade. As more buyers from nearby cities discover Whitstable's appeal, housing demand has increased significantly. Many homes have also become short-term holiday rentals, which can reduce the number of properties available for permanent residents. During summer and holiday weekends, the town centre and waterfront can become crowded, especially around the harbour and seafood restaurants. Whitstable still has a laid-back coastal vibe, but the rapid growth in popularity has changed daily life for many residents. 7. Lewes. Lewes, located in East Sussex, is often described as one of the most attractive historic towns in southern England. Its narrow medieval streets, traditional pubs, and hilltop castle give the town a distinctive character. It also sits close to the South Downs National Park, making it popular with people who enjoy countryside living. But Lewes has also become one of the more expensive small towns in the region. Its rail connection to London makes it appealing to commuters, which has driven property prices higher over time. The town's historic layout can also make driving and parking difficult. Many streets were built centuries before cars existed, so navigating them during busy hours can be frustrating. Lewes remains full of character and culture. But the rising cost of living and limited space can make everyday life more challenging than visitors expect. 6. Bakewell. Bakewell lies in the heart of the Peak District National Park. Stone buildings line the River Wye, old bridges cross the water, and the surrounding hills create some of the most beautiful countryside in England. It's exactly the kind of town many people imagine when they think of peaceful rural life. But living here comes with trade-offs. Public transport options are limited, meaning many residents rely heavily on driving to nearby cities like Sheffield or Derby for work, shopping, or services. Tourism also increases dramatically during weekends and holidays, as visitors explore the Peak District and stop in Bakewell's busy town centre. While the town is famous for the Bakewell pudding and charming scenery, employment opportunities are relatively limited compared to larger urban areas. For visitors, Bakewell feels relaxing. For residents, rural living sometimes brings unexpected inconvenience. 5. St Ives. St Ives in Cornwall might be one of the most photographed coastal towns in England. Its turquoise waters, white sandy beaches and steep streets filled with art galleries make it look almost Mediterranean on a sunny day. But this beauty has created major housing challenges. A large percentage of properties in St Ives are second homes or holiday rentals. Over time, this has pushed property prices far beyond what many local workers can afford. Tourism also transforms the town during peak seasons. Summer crowds fill the narrow streets, beaches, and harbour area, creating congestion in a place that was never designed for large numbers of visitors. In winter, the opposite happens. The town becomes far quieter, and some businesses close or reduce hours. St Ives remains stunning, but balancing tourism with everyday community life continues to be a challenge. 4. Sevenoaks. Sevenoaks in Kent consistently ranks among the most desirable commuter towns near London. Tree-lined streets, historic buildings, and nearby countryside give it a calm and polished atmosphere. Knoll Park, with its historic estate and roaming deer, adds even more appeal. But Sevenoaks also has some of the highest property prices in the region outside London. Demand from commuters has driven housing costs steadily upward. Daily commuting can also be expensive, even though train connections into London are relatively fast. For many families, the town offers beautiful surroundings and convenient transport links, but those advantages often come with a significant financial cost. 3. Bourton-on-the-Water. Bourton-on-the-Water in Gloucestershire is often called the Venice of the Cotswolds. Low stone bridges cross the River Windrush, while honey-coloured buildings line the water's edge. It's one of the most recognisable towns in the Cotswolds, but its popularity brings enormous visitor numbers. During busy seasons, the town centre can become extremely crowded as tourists arrive from across the UK and abroad. The small road network also struggles to handle large traffic volumes, especially during weekends and holidays. Residents still enjoy living in a beautiful historic setting, but during peak tourism periods, daily life can feel surprisingly busy. 2. Salcombe. Salcombe in Devon is known for its stunning harbour, sailing culture and scenic coastline. On summer days, the town feels lively and glamorous, with boats filling the water and cafes overlooking the bay. But Salcombe has become one of the most expensive small towns in England. Property prices have risen dramatically as second home buyers compete for limited housing. In some areas, the majority of houses are used as holiday homes rather than permanent residences. This has made it difficult for local workers to remain in the community, particularly younger residents. Salcombe still looks like a dream coastal town, but the housing situation has transformed the local lifestyle. 1. St Albans. Yes, north of London, St Albans might be the ultimate example of a town that looks perfect from the outside. Roman ruins, a magnificent cathedral, lively markets, and charming streets make it one of the most attractive historic towns in England. Its location also makes it extremely convenient for commuters, but that convenience has made St Albans one of the most expensive towns in the entire country outside central London. Property prices and living costs are exceptionally high compared with many other towns of similar size. Commuter demand keeps housing prices rising, while busy rail services and growing population density add pressure to infrastructure. St Albans remains beautiful, historic, and lively, but the cost of living can surprise many people who fall in love with it at first sight. England's most beautiful towns can feel like stepping into a postcard, but daily life is always more complicated than a weekend visit. Tourism, housing demand, and rising costs quietly reshape these places over time. Sometimes, the most picture-perfect towns reveal their true character only after you move there. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell.